to another episode of What's Cooking. I'm Chef Kevin Flemming, and I'm new here. I've had the pleasure to meet some of you, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. Today, we're going to talk about pesto. Pesto is one of my favorite things to eat. I love pesto pasta. What is pesto? So pesto is made from basil, garlic, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper, and the key ingredient, olive oil. A lot of times you'll see people putting pine nuts in pesto as well. For today's purposes, we're going to leave that out, just in case anyone has an allergy. So we're going to take all these ingredients, we're going to add them to either a food processor or a blender, mix it all up, and then we'll get cooking. Okay, we're back. So here's our pesto. We blended all those ingredients together, and as you can see, it creates a nice vibrant color. The green really stands out, and it's going to have a strong garlicky flavor. So I took this pesto, and through the magic of television, I went ahead and made a pesto cream sauce. This is their basic Alfredo sauce mixed with pesto. So that's going to be onion, garlic, heavy cream, butter, Parmesan cheese. We cook it down and thicken it and add a little pesto, and that's where you get the green color from. So now we're going to assemble our pesto pasta. I like to do it with shrimp because I think it goes very well, plays very well off the flavor of the pesto. We're going to be using farfalle pasta today, also known as bow tie pasta. These are 7190 shrimp. Now what does it mean when I say 7190 shrimp? So if you ever go to your supermarket, you'll see your shrimp labeled with different numbers for different sizes. The bigger the number, the smaller the shrimp. We're going to use small shrimp today, that way we can evenly distribute the shrimp throughout the dish so you can get a nice bit of shrimp in every bite. We're going to use shredded mozzarella cheese and some fresh grape tomatoes. All right, let's get cooking. So first, we're going to add our pesto, our pasta to a bowl and mix it with a little bit of our pesto cream sauce. We'll mix that up. We're going to layer it in our pan. Spread that layer out. We're essentially going to make this almost like a lasagna. So what we're going to do is spread a little mozzarella cheese. We're going to add our shrimp. Some tomato. And then we're going to add another layer. We're just going to continue to layer it all the way to the top. And then we'll go straight into the oven. And here we are. Through the power of television, we have finished our pesto pasta shrimp casserole. Let's go ahead and cut a piece and see how it looks. Looks good. To top it off, we'll add a little bit more of fresh pesto on top, and a little freshly chopped parsley for color. And there you have it, a shrimp pesto pasta casserole. Come on down to the village and try it.